Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Sri Prahlad Vasa Kaumaro Asarit Pragya Dharmana Bhagavatani Ho Durlabham Manusam Janma Tadapi Adhuvam Atharam. This is Prahlad Maharaj is one of the authorities of Krishna consciousness. There are 12 authorities mentioned in the Shastra. Swayambhu, Narada, Shambhu, Kumara, Kapila, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhishma, Bali, Vaiyasaki, Vayam. This is the statement of Jamaraj about the authorities of Dharma. Dharma means Bhagavad Dharma. I think I have explained last night. Dharma means Bhagavad. Dharman to Sakshat Bhagavat Pratita. Just like our Mr. Chief Justice gives judgment on the law. So, the law cannot be manufactured by any common man or any businessman. No. Law can be manufactured only by the state, by the government. Nobody can manufacture. That will not be done. If in the High Court, if somebody pleads, sir, I have got my own law, then Mr. Justice will not accept. Similarly, dharma, you cannot manufacture. Either you are a very big man. Even Chief Justice, he cannot make a law. The law is given by state. Similarly, dharma means Bhagavad Dharma. Other so-called dharmas, they are not dharma. They will not be accepted. Exactly in the same way. Law manufactured at your home is not accepted. Therefore, Dharman Sakshat Bhagavat Pranitam. And what is Bhagavat Pranitam Dharma? That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. We know everyone. He came, Krishna came, his mission was Dharma Samasthapanat Aya, for establishing the religious principles or re-establishing Dharmasya glani bhavati bharata, yada dadahi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. So sometimes there is glani, discrepancies in the matter of discharging the principles of dharma. At that time Krishna comes. Pritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha duskita. Juge juge sambhavana. So this dharma, Krishna did not come to reorganize the so-called dharmas. Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, Buddha dharma. No. According to Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, dharma prodhita hoitava. This is the dharma which is a type of cheating process. That kind of dharma is projita. Prafishta rupena ujjita. And it is thrown out or kicked out. The real dharma is Bhagavad. Real dharma. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj said, Kaumaro asarit prajna dharmanam bhagavataniha. Actually dharma means God, our relationship with God, and acting according to that image, so that we may attain the ultimate goal of life. That is all.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare